In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into GitHub Enterprise in just 5 minutes. If you're new to GitHub or perhaps you're transitioning to the Enterprise version, don't worry, it's a straightforward process. So let's dive right in and get you set up on GitHub Enterprise. First, you'll need to go to the GitHub website. This is your starting point whenever you're accessing GitHub, whether for personal projects or more extensive collaborative work on GitHub Enterprise. Open your preferred web browser and type in www.github.com in the address bar. Wait a moment for the page to load and you'll find yourself on GitHub's main homepage. Now that you're here, look towards the top right corner of the homepage. There's a button that says sign in. Go ahead and give that a click. This will direct you to the login page where you'll need to enter your credentials. Just input your username or email followed by your password and then hit enter to be taken to your GitHub dashboard. With successful login, you should find yourself on the GitHub dashboard. This is your control center on GitHub where you can access all pertinent details about your repositories and any updates. Spend a second familiarizing yourself with the dashboard, as this is where you'll be doing much of your navigation. Next, locate the section tailored for enterprise users. On your dashboard, you should see an option labeled Try Enterprise. Click on that link. GitHub Enterprise offers more robust development tools and higher security features than the basic GitHub, making it an excellent choice for larger teams. After that, you'll see an option to get started, which will guide you in setting up your enterprise account. Click on Get Started and follow the on-screen prompts to finalize your enterprise setup. Be sure to fill in any required information accurately to ensure a smooth setup experience. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated through the login process and reached the point where you can get started with GitHub Enterprise. Remember, GitHub Enterprise is tailored to facilitate collaborative development with enhanced control and security, so make sure to explore the additional features available to you. Feel free to reach out to your organization's GitHub administrator if you encounter any specific issues while setting up your enterprise account. They can provide detailed guidance tailored to your organization's use of GitHub. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial helped you understand how to log into GitHub Enterprise. Be sure to give a thumbs up if this video was helpful and subscribe for more how-to guides. Happy coding, and we'll see you next time.